and protect the Constitution and laws of the state, the Constitution and laws of the Federated States of Micronesia, and that I dedicate myself and that I dedicate myself to perform my public duties faithfully in the public interest to the best of my abilities. So help me God.
Wala ka pinabalik yung paing may pinagawa mo at pagkakang future niya yung pinapanood. Then pagkakalan solution with mga officiated like one state ale party track plan natin.
At 10 o'clock a.m. on November 5th, 2024, a significant swearing-in ceremony took place in the Governor's Conference Room, officiated by the Honorable Rensley Sigrah, Associate Justice of the Kosrae State Court. This event marked the appointment of 3 new members to key positions within Kosrae's governance structure. Mr. Kenstin Skilling as a member of the Board of Directors for the Kosrae State Sports Council, KSSC, Mr. Bercil R. Charley as a board member for the Kosrae Utilities Authority, KUA, and Mr. Raynold I. Alokoa as a board member for the Kosrae Broadcasting Authority. In his opening remarks, the Honorable Lieutenant Governor Arthy Nena underscored the critical roles these appointees will play in addressing the challenges facing their respective organizations. The Kosrae State Sports Council is tasked with overseeing sports development on the island. Mr. Skilling's appointment is particularly timely as it coincides with the ongoing Kosrae State Games, emphasizing the need for effective leadership during this pivotal event. Mr. Charley's role at KUA comes amid significant challenges, including a recent state emergency declared due to a malfunction in the main generator of the Kosrae grid system. Governor Nena acknowledged that Mr. Charley's responsibilities would not be easy, highlighting the urgent need for solutions in energy management. Similarly, Mr. Alokoa faces his own set of challenges at the Kosrae Broadcasting Authority, notably dealing with limited transmission capacity that affects radio service across the island. The Lieutenant Governor pointed out that addressing these issues is essential for enhancing communication and information dissemination within Kosrae. This ceremony not only signifies new leadership but also reflects Kosrae's commitment to tackling pressing developmental issues through dedicated governance in sports, utilities, and broadcasting sectors. The contributions of these newly appointed board members are expected to be vital in steering their organizations towards achieving greater efficiency and effectiveness for the benefit of the community.